Hello everyone, this is Nagasai Party from Team Victory Lab Management. As we embark on our assignment 2 for this in this semesters, it is essential to establish a clear organizational structure to ensure smooth collaboration and effective project management. Uh, And coming to our team, as our team name is Victory Lab Management, and I'm the project manager, and my team members are Catherine Fudge, Quincy Amsterd, Sai Kalyan Kulla, Abdullah bin Sulaiman Masood, Matt Weigel, Muzaimul Adin Sayed. And going further, our main objective is to design two organizational structures, which is a startup company and also a long-term growth prospects. Initially, the structure it is tailored for the development and production of the inaugural project vessel, and subsequently, as the some company progresses and prospers, the future structure will evolve to encompass like specialized research and development initiatives, like for new vessel designs alongside the integration where of mass capabilities for fast run models, and also as the company expands, the future structure emphasizes innovation and scalability, dedicated and department for research like development, production, marketing, and administration. Moving further, here are some of the reasons for selecting the functional organization. So, as a company is in its initial stages, we need to ensure that the project receives like adequate resources and attention in order to complete it successfully, and also centralize the decision making within the each functional area can expedite decision making process, leveraging specialized expertise for more information informed outcomes. So this approach foster and more focused decision making, contributing to the efficient process, for the project. Um, and here is the recommendations for our startup organization. As discussed, I am the project manager. HR is taken care by Catherine. R&D is we are yet to decide. Finance is doing by both Abdul and Syed, and engineering by Kalyan, Quincy, and Matt were into marketing and manufacturing respectively. And we are going in detail about the roles in further slides. Uh, Coming to the HR department, as such, the HR department is, it's not home of the Bethel project. So the this department has its own functional department, and therefore the Vessel project is not to focus of the HR department. However, this will support Vessel project as needed. As shown in the slides, the HR department consists of a HR director, um, a compensation benefits and a recruiting manager, employee relations manager, and training and development manager. Proceeding further, uh, the HR team members uh, time is allocated to each project. Like as an example, since Vessel Project 1 is in conceptual phase, the compensation benefits and recruiting manager has 3 days of his week allocated to this project. Likewise, for project 2, it's in the planning base. So the compensation and the recruiting manager has like 1.5 days of the week to allocate to this project. And for vessel 3, as it is in its early in the execution stage, so they will need like zero point 0.5 days of his week to allocate this project. And this structure plays on the project since the HR team members report to both HR director and respective project manager. This structure provides a better balance of resources since a specific amount of the HR team members' time is allocated to like perspective projects. And coming to the R&D department, will this will be responsible for studying the what requirements and the use of the vessel, and they will decide the requirements of the vessel and will also communicate the same to other concerned departments, where they will have a initial role of studying the client requirements and developing possible configurations that can best suit the possibilities like outcomes. And here we can see the finance, how the finance is managed in the functional organization, where the chief officer is a head, and then financial planning and analysis, treasury is reportable for him. And furtherly, financial is divided into accounting, tax, and internal audit. Um, and the finance department consists of several key roles. Chief financial officer, he oversees the entire finance function, where finance planning and analysis, he was reasonable for budgeting, forecasting, and analysis. With the treasury, he manages the cash flow, liquidity, like financial risks and financial stability and security. And accounting and tax and internal audit, they handle recording like the financial statements, to the accounting standards and regulations, uh, and ensure some compliance with the tax laws and regulations. Where this provides an independent assurance on internal control effectiveness, like some risk management and some governance process. So, like the finance department, like other departments in the boat vessel manufacturing, operated within the functional organization structure initially, and then um, the functions based on specific expertise. It requires to handle the organization's financial conditions. Like each department operates independently and focusing on its specialized function within the manufacturing process. Like as discussed, the CFO oversees the entire finance function and also ensuring long-term financial success and strategy within R&D, like engineers, designers, and finance professionals. They will collaborate in a cross-functional project teams to develop like innovative, some innovative vessel designs, um, where these will lead to the functional teams and comprising financial experts to handle various aspects like such as cost management, taxation, treasury. And coming to the engineering, constructing a vessel like it entails considering several crucial factors like to ensure its operation, stability, and safety. And we'll discuss further. And like various factors were considered in the engineering. Basically, while preparing a vessel, so it is like hydrodynamics, like it depends on like design for the speed, efficiency, and how the boat goes in water. And in the structural engineering, so it is basically withstand various forces and loads which encountered during operation, and based upon its durability and safety. Stability and buoyancy, it is safe navigation in different water conditions. And material selection, we need to consider the weight, durability, resistance, and its strength, and depends upon the environment. And coming to propulsion structures, like we need to see some efficient propulsion systems such as engines, propellers, sails, so to ensure the boat will go in a subsequent way. In this, coming to the marketing, in our startup process for marketing department, which is a functional organized structure. In this structure, three crucial subdivisions were developed: brand marketing section, promote promoted the company as a whole to get the corporation noticed and create and maintain a brand consumer relationship. So in this creative section, this puts the resources in advertisement to gain a better and bigger audience around the world through social media, search engines, ads, and teaming up, etc. And also analyze market trends and evaluate marketing campaigns. So this is a crucial for development to make sure the company does not go over budget and fail at an early stages. And within the product concept, they establish as the board model is already selected, the functional organization enables the development of individual departments within the manufacturing process. The focus of this structure is to facilitate the manufacturing department in establishing production swiftly and comprehensively. Additionally, it offers flexibility, allowing manufacturing to reallocate resources to other projects if circumstances change or new operations arise. And our second, as we proceed further, we are going to select matrix organization. Uh, so the future projects will benefit from the ability to share resources, like enabling the completion of multiple projects simultaneously. And additionally, key considerations include the relative ease of transition, like facilitating smooth organizational changes, and some of the advantages of the knowledge sharing between the departments or between the projects, and reducing the competition for command and making collaborative decision making, which is outcome would be like so efficient. And And as we know, the matrix organization is a hybrid structure where employees report to both functional managers uh, and the project managers. This structure allows for a flexible allocation of resources and also expertise across different projects or vessels while they are maintaining for a flexible allocation. Each functional area has its own specialized teams like HR, R&D, manufacturing, engineering, uh, that support which as they support multiple projects or vessels as needed. The structure, this structure encourages collaboration, communication, and also efficient resource, utilization across the organization. And coming to the results, the current structure of the project operates within a functional organization model. So, like where other departments were organized based on specific functions, as in contrast, the future structure entails a shift towards matrix organization, like where there will be a flexibility and collaboration across departments. Like this transition, main aim was to allocate dedicated resource to R&D development, and also while also increasing mass function capabilities overall, moving towards this matrix organization, which reflects the company's strategic evolution and towards innovation, scalability, and efficiency. And I would like to thank you to the professor and also my team members for making it successful.